In this video, I'm going to be explaining what my Videly bonuses are and how you can access them. But before I do that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for ongoing video SEO and ranking tips to get you to the number 1, 2, and 3 slots of Google and YouTube. So I've had so many people contact me on my Facebook page asking me, Marty, how do I get access to your Videly bonuses? And what's the catch with them? What do I need to buy? What happens after, etc. So in this video, I'm going to clear that up. I'm going to show you what my Videly bonuses are, and I'm going to tell you how you can get access to them. And if you don't, for whatever reason, and how you can reach out to me. Okay, so here we are on my Videly review website. You can visit this website by heading over to grabvidly.com. You should see a link on the screen just now, or you can find the link in the description below. Now, everywhere on this website you will see buttons which will take you to the offer page on Vidly, which will automatically activate the discount but also credit this purchase to me, so I know that you've purchased this, and then I can send it over, or the software should automatically send you over the bonuses. Okay, so let's get into what bonuses you're going to be getting if you use my link or you buy Vidly through this website. So if you head over to Vidly bonuses tab right here, you'll be taken to my Vidly bonuses page. Now on the Vidly bonuses page, you're going to see what it is you're going to be getting and a short description of it, but let's go through this really quickly. So bonus number 1, you're going to be getting my local business overnight ranking course. This is 14 videos straight to the point, where I'm basically going to be showing you step by step on how to rank businesses. You get half of it's theory based, the other half is practical. I create it this way because it's unbelievably important to understand how to think about the process rather than anything else. In fact, that's probably the most important bit, because if you understand how to think about the process, well, it doesn't matter what tool you use in the future. So I cover all of that in a super focused overnight ranking course, and it is focused on local businesses, but you can actually apply this method for anything really. I apply it for my affiliate products, I apply it for niche stuff, so you can really apply it for anything you want. Okay, next is my video marketing blaster proof. This is a live case study that I originally did with Video Marketing Blaster's standalone software before Vidly came out. And just in case you didn't know, Video Marketing Blaster has rebranded their software as Vidly, but it's the cloud-based version of Video Marketing Blaster. So it's the exact same software setup and everything, apart from Vidly is cloud-based, and I basically show you how I ranked a plumbing business step by step. It's really insightful, and again, it just reinforces that whole process that you should be taking when you use Vidly or you're trying to rank your videos using video SEO. Moving down to bonus number 3 is my 10-minute keyword research hack. Now, so many people, they'll spend so much time trying to research keywords and the most profitable keywords and stuff like that, but they don't actually utilize the existing keywords that they've got. In 10 minutes, I show you how you can turn one profitable keyword into like 18 plus, basically unlimited keywords, just using that one thing. So, it means you can get started straight away after finding only one profitable keyword. Okay, it's super focused. It's going to take you 10 minutes to learn, if that. Okay, and you're going to be able to apply it straight after. Really insightful stuff. Next is a course that I've actually not shared anywhere online. It's exclusive to this. So this course is Small Payments, Big Profits. And over the past few years, I've been creating little niche YouTube videos which basically send people to a checkout page where they buy something for a very small amount, for £1, £2 little things. But the beauty of this is that there's thousands upon thousands of people clicking that link, and I basically earn £1 over 137 times per day on autopilot. And literally, I just show you step by step on how to do that, how to think about it, and how to actually apply it. Okay, and if you use this in conjunction with Vidly, it's really going to be super easy to implement into your business. It's actually really simple. How do you actually gain access to my Videly bonuses? Well, anywhere on my website you'll find a button which says activate founders discount, which will give you the discount. But what this will do is when you click on this button, I'm going to be credited a small commission when you buy Videly, okay? What you need to be looking out for on the checkout page of Videly is an affiliate ID, and you'll see it in the image here. This is what you want to be looking out for at the bottom of your page, or you can also see in the URL when you go to the Videly website, if it shows this information here, then it means I will get credited this sale, which means you should automatically receive in your inbox all of these bonuses. Now, sometimes weird things happen online. We can try and figure it out, or we can just, take action. So if you don't receive the bonus content in 10 to 30 minutes, go ahead and send me an email to this address right here. And what I will do is I will manually check your order number, and if it has gone through properly, I will send you over a special URL where you can download all of my bonuses like that. Okay, super simple process. You don't need to worry about anything. Okay, so whilst I've got you here, I just wanted to quickly show you around this website. I'm filling it up every single day, so you can see I've got plenty of tutorials here, comparisons going on, and ranking methods, and I'm going to keep on adding to this site almost every single day. Okay, so head over to grabvidly.com, and if you've not purchased Videly, go ahead and purchase Videly through one of my links on the site, and once you do, you'll get my bonuses. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, and the next video is Videly a scam, and is it going to work for my business? So I'm actually going to be answering that question for you and showing factual evidence as to whether or not it is a scam and whether or not it is worth your time and for your business. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.